अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 9. Check whether 6 to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Okay, let's start. So as you know that any number that ends with 0 is divisible by 10. And if you factorize 10, then 10 is equal to 2 into 5. What it means? It means that any number that ends with 0 is also divisible by 2 and 5. Now, 6 can be factorized as 2 into 3. Okay, so if the number is divisible by 10, then it is divisible by 2 and 5. On the same line, if the number is divisible by 6, then it should be divisible by 2 and 3, right? Which can be 6 to the power n. Okay, so that number will be divisible by 2, but it will not be divisible by 5, right? Because 6 factors are 2 and 3. So it will be divisible by 2 and 3 and not 5. Okay, so what it means, or 6 to the power n, any number, it cannot end with 0. Okay, that's it.